Hey everyone, I have discovered a revolutionary way to remove your masking tape when refinishing a foam airplane. The most stressful part for me in refinishing the airplane is removing the masking tape because inevitably you end up with spots of the original paint underlying that peels up or the new paint lifting up with it and causing scarring and marking, and then you have to go back and touch up, and it's just an absolute nightmare. So I wanted to share this with everybody because this is really something else. There's a lot of methods out there to de-tack the tape against your shirt or pants, or use baby powder or talc to lessen the adhesiveness on the tape somehow to the paint. But those methods do leave areas where you will get underspray and not get a good solid line. So here it goes. The things I use: foil. This goes out, a shout out to RC Geek for this method, using the foil to cover large areas and then you just mask certain small spots. So I do use typical masking tape, but this is going to be not damaging the wing or the whatever surface it is you're painting. I'm going to show you that in just a second. The most important part of this is this Ultimate Curve Maker pinstriping tape. You can get this on Amazon. Comes in several different widths. I have a 1/4 inch, there's 1/8 inch, 16th inch, 1/2 inch. You can get whatever you need. But this is the key to getting the fine crisp line and no damage on the removal. So as you can see here, I've got the foil and I've got the masking tape. The first thing I lay down is this pinstriping tape. I take the pinstriping tape, put down my edge, burnish it down with my finger or something to just get a good solid fit. You'll see that in a minute. Then I use this masking tape to get the foil, and I tape this to that pinstriping tape. You'll see that here in just a minute as I peel this up. Now, the traditional method to remove your tape is to fold it back over itself and pull. This still creates a lot of tension right here, lifting and peeling up that paint as you're removing it. So this is where you're going to end up with those scars or those portions of paint coming up from the original paint job. But I'm not worried about that because this is only sticking to this blue tape here. There's nothing with this masking tape adhering to the actual aircraft original paint. So you can see so far, no damage whatsoever. So underneath that tape is this blue tape. And you will see that this tape is actually, I'm going to pull this up the traditional way because that wasn't adhered to anything. This tape is very flexible and stretchy. So that's the key to removing this tape without marring your paint. You're going to see as I take this up, I am going to pull the tape away from itself, going in this direction horizontally, and it's going to actually undo the adhesive. Watch the adhesive just let loose. And this force is a side force tension on the original paint, which is much easier for the paint to withstand and maintain against the airframe. And you'll see that that paint is just lifting right up beautifully, moving right along the wing. I'm going to keep pulling it, and then peeling it back, moving it, peeling it back, until I get to the very end, and you will see that it has left absolutely no scarring or original paint peeling up. Hope you find this helpful. You can get the tape on Amazon if you'd like, and give it a try, and leave a comment if you try this method and you think it works well for you.